I go fight insecurity and hunger if you vote me for Presido position. Former governor for Zamfara, Sani Yerima na im tok dis one. Former governor for Zamfara State, Senator Sani Yerima don declare say e wan contest for Presido under di All Progressives Congress (APC). E tok dis one wen e yarn tori pipo afta one closed door tok-tok wit Presido Muhammadu Buhari on Friday for di State House, Abuja. Yerima tok say as e don do governor 2 times and senator 3 times, say e sabi wetin be di problem for Nigeria and say e go helep fight kilikili and tifi-tifi and hunger for di kontri.
I'm very happy with the reception and the advices given to me. As a loyal party member, I inform Mr. President that I'm ready at all times to accept the wishes and decisions of my party, the APC. I'm sure all Nigerians are aware Mr. President has done his best. He told the country that he was going to fight corruption, insecurity, and he's going to work very hard to ensure economic development and prosperity of this country. If it were not Mr. President, with his integrity and uncorruptible personal position, this country would have not been what it is today. So I have 3 points as well: to fight insecurity, fight poverty, and ignorance. There are people who are professors who are well educated in Western terms, but they are ignorant of their society. That is why you see people talking about rotational presidency as if it is an allocation of power.
E con hail di Presido say e don try im best as e don helep fight insecurity and corruption, and di way Nigeria dey so no be like dis e dey before.
Even in Zamfara State, I have never required or asked or forced any Christian to follow Islamic faith, because I would have done an unconstitutional act. So if I'm elected, by the grace of God, I'm going to be elected under the Constitution, and I'm going to take an oath to protect and defend the Constitution of Nigeria. So I will never do anything unconstitutional.
Make una sabi say Yerima na di first governor and di governor wey carry Sharia law enter Zamfara State. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.